A secure home begins with strong, well-installed doors. In Melville, where homeowners value both comfort and safety, door installation is more than just a design upgrade. It's an essential step in protecting your property and family. A properly installed door not only elevates your home's appearance but also acts as the first line of defense against intruders, weather elements, and energy loss. Here's how professional door installation in Melville can significantly enhance your home's security. Reinforced entry points for maximum protection. Every entry door is a potential access point for burglars. A professionally installed door ensures there are no weak spots for forced entry. Expert installers use advanced hardware, secure frame anchoring, and high-quality materials to fortify your home's entrances. Modern entry doors in Melville often come with reinforced steel cores, solid wood structures, or fiberglass composites that are nearly impossible to kick in. Combined with heavy-duty deadbolts and strike plates anchored into the wall framing, they provide exceptional resistance against break-ins. Even the installation method matters. A door that isn't properly aligned or has gaps in its frame can easily be pried open. Certified installers guarantee precision, ensuring your new door fits tightly and operates smoothly, minimizing vulnerabilities. High-quality locks and advanced security features. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your door through professional installation is the opportunity to integrate advanced security technology. Many Melville homeowners now choose doors equipped with multi-point locking systems, smart locks, or keyless entry systems. Multi-point locks secure the door at multiple points, top, middle, and bottom, making it exponentially harder to force open. Smart locks, meanwhile, let you monitor and control access through your smartphone, allowing you to lock or unlock doors remotely and receive alerts if someone attempts to tamper with the system. When installed correctly, these systems offer superior protection and peace of mind. Professional installers ensure that every component functions seamlessly with your door's structure, preventing operational or security issues later on. Impact-resistant and weatherproof material security isn't just about deterring crime. It's also about keeping your home safe from environmental hazards. Doors installed in Melville must withstand diverse weather conditions, from summer heat to occasional storms. Modern door materials like steel and fiberglass provide both durability and resistance to warping or cracking. Impact-resistant glass panels, often used in decorative entry doors, add a layer of protection without sacrificing aesthetics. When properly installed, these materials resist shattering and maintain structural integrity even under high pressure, ensuring that your home remains secure during harsh weather or attempted break-ins. Improved energy efficiency adds to safety. While it may not seem directly related to security, energy-efficient doors play a role in home safety too. Doors with proper insulation and tight seals regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems. This prevents condensation and mold growth, issues that can weaken door frames and compromise security over time. Professional door installation ensures that every seal, threshold, and hinge is perfectly aligned, eliminating drafts and gaps that can deteriorate materials. In Melville's changing climate, this means a safer, more comfortable, and longer-lasting barrier between your home and the outside environment. Curb appeal that doesn't compromise security. A strong door doesn't have to look industrial. Modern installations in Melville combine elegant designs with built-in security reinforcements. Homeowners can choose from a variety of finishes, colors, and decorative elements, such as sidelights or transoms, with security glass and reinforced frames. Professional installers help balance aesthetics and safety, ensuring you get a beautiful entrance without sacrificing protection. A new, secure entryway not only deters intruders but also increases property value, making it a smart long-term investment. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best door won't perform its job if installed poorly. Gaps, misalignment, or weak hinges can all create easy access points for unwanted visitors. That's why professional door installation in Melville is crucial. Experts use precision tools, reinforced mounting techniques, and weatherproofing methods to ensure a tight, secure fit that stands the test of time. Moreover, professional installers inspect your home's existing frame, foundation, and hardware compatibility before installation, something DIY efforts often overlook. This ensures every component works together to enhance both safety and efficiency. Final thoughts: door installation in Melville is more than a cosmetic update, it's a vital part of securing your home. From reinforced frames and advanced locking systems to impact-resistant materials and expert craftsmanship, a professionally installed door provides unmatched protection and peace of mind. Whether you're replacing an old entry door or upgrading to a modern smart system, investing in quality installation ensures your home remains a safe, comfortable haven for years to come.